Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're super excited to introduce you to an outstanding product from Suntop, the floor-type full enclosed fiber laser marking machine that's taking the industry by storm. This machine features a fully enclosed design, which is in line with European CE standards. The laser protection glass observation window allows you to watch the marking process safely and easily. Here's a cool feature, the built-in red light in the scanning head. It's used to preview the marking position, making it a breeze to find the laser focus accurately. It can effortlessly adjust the height of the laser focus according to the products of different heights on the workbench. Once marked by our machine, the text, pattern, and other information are clear and permanent. Not only is it highly efficient in marking, but it's also energy efficient. The electro-optical conversion efficiency can reach more than 28%, saving you energy and electricity costs. So, there you have it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing product showcases. Thanks for watching.